Hey, Misha Turtle Island here, and I'm submitting a bug request or a feedback item to Apple. And I would suggest others do this as well if you own an iPad mini. So I have the 2024 iPad mini, A17 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM. My initial reaction, guys, to iOS 26 and iOS 27 is that it runs fairly well on the iPad mini performance-wise, even with the indexing ongoing. I don't actually think it's a I'm trying to avoid cursing. It's a mess compared to what I experienced on the iPhone and the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have both those iPhones, and I tried upgrading the 12 Pro Max to it, and I thought it was awful, absolutely awful here. So that was my experience with the iOS 26, and it's gotten a little bit better with the recent releases, but it's still not great. So on iPad 26 and 27, though, I have found it to be actually okay in spots. But my biggest issue, and this is a huge issue for me personally, is I have to use this thing in full screen mode. Each app opens in full screen, and I can't do multitasking or split view the way that I want. Now, I can do it if I select windowed mode or stage manager, and I've used stage manager before, but the problem is windowed mode is awful, in my opinion, for an 8-inch touchscreen like the iPad mini. It just doesn't work. It would even still be cramped, in my opinion, on an iPad that was 10 inches. Now, if you have an iPad 12 or 13-inch or iPad Pro 12, 13-inch model, I actually think that windowed mode is genius and probably going to be one of your favorite features in iOS 27. But if you're an iPad mini customer like me, this is horrible. What I used to do and I used to like is at the top of the screen, so at the top of the screen here, in the center, there would be 3 dots. And you could press those 3 dots and essentially split screen and have half the screen be one app and half the screen be the other. And then you could kind of move it a little bit to the right or left and have the app be 70%, the other app be 30%. Guys, that's how I make a lot of my YouTube videos. I have the Notes app open with the YouTube app. Can I do that with the windowed mode in iOS 27? Yes, I can. I'm not a turtle that is too slow to learn anything. I'm not totally a tech laggard. I'm not saying that every change is bad, but I'm saying in this case, it feels bad on the smaller screen. That's why I'm submitting this feedback to Apple, because I feel like with the smaller screen, I make so many mistakes when I'm trying to change the size of my apps in the windowed mode and rearrange things. I end up having to spend more time, a lot more time, than I did by just having to simply click 3 dots and then click split view. In addition, with the smaller screen, there's very few circumstances where I need to use more than 2 apps at the same time. If you have the iPad Pro with 13 inches on the screen, totally it makes sense to have 3, 4, whatever apps open at the same time. I'm very unlikely to arrange my screen into 4 corners on an iPad mini. I like the iPad mini, I like smaller touchscreens, but even I think that's cramped. So if I'm not likely to use more windows on my iPad mini than 2, then what this means from a customer experience and UI standpoint is I am now having to do 2 to 4 times the amount of steps or work that I had to before to get my apps into an easy workflow position. So is this a big thing in the grand scheme of life? No, there's still a ton of fun stuff that I can do on my iPad mini, but it definitely takes it from being a platform that I could use for quite a few of my work streams, and to being much more of just a reading, manga, video watching, basic uploading device. It actually dehances, not enhances, removes my ability to multitask effectively. So I hope what Apple does is I hope they keep this windowed mode option. If you like the window mode option, I understand. Even if you haven't used it with the mini, you like it with the larger screen, I completely understand. But what they should do is add back the split view 3-button option to the top of the full screen mode that you can set in the settings. You have 3 settings option: full screen, windowed, or stage manager. Okay, the way to fix this, Apple, is to add back those 3 dots in the full screen mode. Or if you want to just keep the full screen mode with no multitasking, essentially, and just do a basic swipe up thing, keep it the same way it is right now. Okay. Just make a new option that's essentially like it was on iOS 18 with that split screen mode. So add it as a 4th option if you can. Either of those work for me. Either of those solve the issue. I hope that Apple, as they're receiving this feedback for iOS 27, takes this into account, because there's a lot of users that might not care. But in my experience, at least for me, the users that care about split view care quite a bit about it. So there might not be a huge volume of complaints, but I feel like the enthusiasm for fixing this issue is rather high. So if you agree with me, guys, what I recommend you do is I recommend that you go here to this apple.com/feedback/iPad, and they claim to read all the feedback. Just select this, submit feedback, be truthful about your experience. Don't just copy and paste stuff. Like submit it. That's the only way that Apple will learn. Now, I understand each and every one of us is just one person, but if you do want to slowly and steadily change, the iPad experience, one of the ways is to try and push back against the YouTubers that say that this isn't needed. I think part of the reason why Apple made some of these changes is because people have been negatively critiquing the iPad over the years as not being a full replacement for a laptop. And in many ways, this windowed mode is quite a leap forward for larger and more advanced iPads, to more effectively compete with computers and laptops. But for the smaller screen size, the iPad mini is never going to be that. The iPad mini is never going to be a computer competitor. And I think that older iPads that are like 9-10 inches, those are unlikely to want to kind of do windowed mode as well. Why? Not just because of screen real estate, but just RAM. I have an old iPad 7th generation. I don't think it can even update this to 26, guys. But the thing is, that thing has 3 gigabytes of RAM. 3 gigabytes of RAM with 10-inch Retina screen actually is fine for watching things like, streaming Paramount or Netflix, YouTube, maybe doing some basic note-taking, some basic web browsing. That's fine for that. But I would not, if I had the option, open 4 to 5 applications at the same time in a windowed mode where they're all using the RAM. I don't even think it could do it. So even with the iPad mini, the one that I have, and I think there's a newer model coming out with an OLED screen, I think, even more power. Even the iPad mini that I currently have, even if it can run way more than 2 apps, and I think it can, it's not something that I ever really want to do for the most part because of the screen real estate size. And even then, I feel like it will start to get capped at 8 gigabytes of RAM. I'm running the Pixel Fold, it has 12 gigabytes of RAM, and even I feel like that's a bit cramped. Like, these phone applications, guys, they use so much more power than they did a decade ago. That's one of the reasons why sometimes you don't want to update to a completely new iOS version if you're on an older device, because there's just more software bloat or features, depending on how you view it, in the platform that makes it challenging, compared to before. So where do I land on this? I think that overall there's a lot of cool stuff with iPad 27. And one thing I'm noticing is I think that there's a lot fewer stability issues actually for me. I only used iOS 26 for a few days, and some of that might have been indexing, but I upgraded to iOS 27 this morning, and I think it's very smooth. And iOS 27 is still indexing here, and I already got access to a new Siri, so there's a lot to like about this. But there's a huge gap here, which for me, again, is the split view multitasking. Apple, please, hear our cries. Add it back, I beg you. Guys, if you want to support these efforts, I don't want you to like, share, and subscribe. I just want you, once again, to go to apple.com/feedback/iPad and submit a request to add back split view. Por favor, please, whatever language you use, please, Apple.